जय भोलेनाथ। मैं नागेश्वरी, शेषनाग वंश की सर्वश्रेष्ठ आदि नागिन, जिसे 10,000 वर्ष पहले भोलेनाथ से आशीर्वाद में अपना प्यार हृदय मिला था। हृदय और मैं एक दूसरे से बहुत प्यार करते थे, बहुत चाहते थे एक दूसरे को। लेकिन उस चील ने मेरे उस प्यार को मुझसे छीन लिया। वो चील मेरी खूबसूरती में फंस गया और उसने मेरे प्यार को खत्म कर दिया। लेकिन मैं आधी नागिन हूँ और एक नागिन अपने प्यार को कभी नहीं भूलती है। और ये मेरा वादा है कि मैं कलयुग में पुनर्जन्म लूंगी और अपने प्यार को वापस मिलूंगी, अपने प्यार से वापस मिलूंगी और उस चील को दोबारा खत्म करूंगी। ये एक नागिन नहीं, आदि नागिन का वादा है।
Thank you to our very gorgeous Hina Khan. और अब वक्त है to introduce the dapper dude with some serious acting skills, Dheeraj Thupar.
न चांद की चाहत, न तारों की फरमाइश, बस जो मिला उसे लूटने की ख्वाहिश। मैं हूं आकेश, आकाश का राजा और चीलों का आका, और लूटना मेरी फितरत में है। लेकिन जब से नागेश्वरी को देखा ना, ऐसा लगा जैसे उसने मेरे दिल को लूट लिया हो। बहुत शिद्दत से मैंने उसे प्यार किया, लेकिन वो मेरे प्यार को नहीं समझी। अगर इस युग में वो मेरी ना हो सकी तो क्या हुआ? अगले युग में वो मेरे प्यार की कोशिश और मेरे प्यार की कशिश को समझेगी। अपना दिल हार के या अपना दिल मार के नागेश्वरी मेरी होके रहेगी।
Thank you, Dheeraj. और अब वक्त है to introduce the very, very handsome Mohit Malhotra.
जय भोलेनाथ। मेरा नाम हृदय। मैं शेषनाग वंश का एक आम नाग हूं। मैं नागेश्वरी के प्यार से बना हूं। हम दोनों ने साथ मिलकर जन्म जन्म तक साथ रहने की कसम भी खाई थी। और सतयुग में महाशिवरात्रि को हमारा ये सपना पूरा होने ही वाला था कि शायद किस्मत को ये मंजूर नहीं था। एक चील का गंदा साया हमारे प्यार के बीच में पड़ गया और हम एक ना हो सके। लेकिन मुझे इस बात की खुशी है कि कलयुग में हम फिर से साथ होंगे। हाँ, मैं पुनर्जन्म लूंगा, मैं नागिन के साथ रहूंगा। और अगर इस बार चील ने हमारे प्यार के बीच में आने की कोशिश की तो वो बहुत बुरी दर्दनाक मौत मरेगा। ये एक प्यार से बिछड़े नाग की प्रतिज्ञा है।
Thank you so much. Well, I think that was absolutely magical. And I'm sure all our media friends agree with us on that. वैसे हम काफी देर से आपका ऑन स्क्रीन मैजिक तो देख ही रहे हैं। बस इस वर्चुअल प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस को थोड़ा और गेयर अप करते हैं, एंटरटेनमेंट लेकर आते हैं। And for that, I'm going to invite all our artists to join us on screen. So let's welcome them. Hi everybody, you guys look totally fabulous, totally fabulous.
Thank
तो I'm sure अभी तक की कहानी जितनी हमें ट्रेलर से देख के थोड़ा बहुत आइडिया लगा है, ऐसा लग रहा है कि बहुत सारे ट्विस्ट हैं। तो हमने सोचा क्यों ना आपके साथ एक टंग ट्विस्टर चैलेंज खेलें। For that, I'm going to read out a tongue twister to you, और आप लोग करके कोशिश करना कि आप सब मेरे साथ वो बोल सकें। Yeah? Should we begin?
Okay.
Yes, let's go.
Yes.
Let's go for it. So Hina, the first tongue twister is: सांप की सिसक को समझता है सपेरा, अपनी समझ से ही तो वो सांप की समझ को बनाता है सुनहरा।
सांप की सिसक को समझता है सपेरा और अपनी समझ से ही तो बनाता है वो सांप को सपेरा।
सांप को सुनहरा।
Not bad at all. Amazing. Dheeraj, do you want to try this? Go for it.
सांप की समझ को समझता है सपेरा, अपनी समझ से ही वो बना।
इतना टाइम नहीं धीरज, जल्दी
सांप की समझ को समझता है सपेरा, अपनी समझ से वो सांप को सपेरे को बनाता है।
गलत
Dheeraj, धीरज ने एक अलग ट्विस्ट दे दिया है इसे, but I have one more. Why don't you try it? Mohit, why don't you try it? सिसकता सांप को समझता है सपेरा, अपनी समझ से ही तो सांप की समझ को बनाता है वो सुनहरा.
सकता सांप को समझता है सपेरा, सांप सिसकते सांप से समझता है सांप को.
चलो हो गया, थैंक यू.
सिसकते सांप से समझता है सपेरा, अपनी समझ से समझता है सांप के सुनहरे सपने.
Well, I think that was super duper fun. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you. It was cute and it was long. Okay.
Yeah. भाई ये entertainment में तो काफी मजा आया. And now it's finally the moment we've been waiting for, the official Q&A by all our media friends. And for that, मैं फिर से एक बार invite करूंगी all our artists to join us back on screen. So here's the first question. I'll be asking you questions जो हमारे media friends की तरफ से हैं. हमारा पहला सवाल है for Hina. Hina, this question is from Hasti, which is from Bombay Times. She wants to know.
From what's the name?
Her name is Hasti.
Hasti. Oh my God. Okay.
Yeah.
Tell us about your experience so far shooting and working with Ekta Kapoor, with colors and a fantasy fiction genre.
Well, to begin with, hi Hasti, and thanks for your question. And let me just begin with Ekta Kapoor. This is, I think, second time I'm working with Balaji, and my experience with them has been fab. Like it's become a family now, and Ekta is like a friend to me, and she's a different person. When you talk to her, when you meet her, she's not the Ekta Kapoor. She's just like one of us. She'll make you feel so comfortable. So it was lovely. It's always lovely to work with Balaji. And as far as Colors is concerned, Colors ke saath mera bahut purana rishta hai. I think after my first show, my first ever non-fiction Khatron Ke Khiladi was on Colors, and I had a lovely experience. And then I did Big Boss, and now I'm back again on Colors with the one more season of Nagin 5. I'm super excited, super thrilled, because Nagin is a franchise जहाँ पर सब लोग इतने प्यारे लगते हैं, इतने खूबसूरत लगते हैं, आप बस देखते रह जाते हैं, चाहे कोई भी नागिन हो, नाग हो. It's larger than life, it's beautiful. और ऑडियंस तक जो हम फोकलोर लेकर आए, इंडियन फोकलोर लेकर आए हैं, ऑडियंस को वो देखने में इतना मजा आता है. आई थिंक तभी हम आज नागिन के 5th सीजन में हैं, because नागिन को इतना ज्यादा पसंद किया गया है. So when I got an opportunity and when I was told about it, they want me to play a Nagin, I did not really think, and I just said yes immediately. So for me, it's been all in out, it has been a great experience, although we've just started shooting, but I just loved it.
Thank you, Hina. Thank you for that. Our next question is for Mohit. Mohit, ये सवाल है from Sheetal from the Tribune, and the question is, tell us about your character. Did you, as a child, also hear tales about the legend of Nagin? And at that time, did you believe in it?
See, back in the day, I did not read about it, but I've always heard about it. And this is the most loved story everybody hears. और the character I'm playing, वो सर्वश्रेष्ठ नाग है और उसका नाम हृदय है. और he's madly in love with Nageshwari, his Nagin, and she loves him as much as he loves her. तो दोनों की प्यार की कहानी है और कैसे उसके बीच में चील आ जाते हैं और कैसे उसके प्यार में बाधा डाल देते हैं और कैसे उस प्यार को जीता जाता है. So I think the story is all about that, and yeah.
Wow. Hearing your answer, I'm already very eager, and I'm sure all our media friends also very eager to see the show.
Well, I'm myself very eager.
Yeah.
I so want to see myself on screen.
You're looking absolutely, totally gorgeous in the Nagin attire. It's totally beautiful.
Thank you. I think we all are, and Dheeraj is looking so different than what he has played on screen up till now, and I really like his look. Mohit is looking so different. Ekdam alag. This is a different space we all have tried for the first time, and I am loving all the characters and especially the looks. We've all put in the team colors. The production house has put in so much effort in making us look the way we are looking in the show. So all thanks to them, and of course, I think we've done a little justice to it.
No, you're looking absolutely stunning. Trust me.
Thank you, Dheeraj.
So thank you to all our stunners. Hamara agla sawal is for Dheeraj, and it's by Bhavna from Pink Villa. With
Bhavna.
all eyes on Nagin 5, do you feel the pressure that role you will be seeing will be completely different? You know, anything else that you've done before? It's a very different role.
No, I don't see it as a pressure. I see it as an opportunity for me as an actor. You know, whatever I've done earlier on screen, I think this is very different, and this is something I've never did earlier. You know, so I'm really excited. So when I got the opportunity to do this, you know, when I got a call for Nagin 5, I was super excited, and I just grabbed it. So yes, this is very, very, very different when it comes to the performance, when it comes to the look, when it comes to the setup. You know, and it's a different kind of show altogether. You know what I'm doing already. So I'm totally excited, and I think my fans, my audience will be equally excited to see me in two different avatars on the same time, you know.
Totally. I think we all are waiting for it. Hamara agla sawal is for Hina. Hina, this question is by Sankarsan from Ajkal. What made you come back to television after shooting for a web series, and how will Nagin 5 be different than all your previous seasons that that have gone by?
Well, I have taken I did say that I've taken a break from television, which I still stick to. But Nagin is something, and especially before I talk about Nagin, I'd like to talk about Ekta. Like, I got a call from Ekta, and she told me about this thing that she wants me to play Nagin in Nagin 5. And, you know, Colors, I always love working with them. They're a wonderful team, and I'm very, very close to the Colors people. A great channel to work with. So I was, when Ekta called me, she said that the reason I want you to play this character is because this is not a daily soap kind of a thing that which will go on for years, right? This is a season, it'll finish. So I want you to play this character, and you know, just leave everything aside when it comes from her. No, I think mentioned it before as well. She's not somebody who will say, Hina, I've got you this character and I want you to play this. Will you play it? No, she's not like that. She'll say, I've got you this character and I think you'll do great. You have to play it. That's it.
Wow.
Then you're not left with any choice. You know, she's a friend, she's a mentor. I really look up to her. She's an inspiration. I have a huge respect for her, regard for her, for the Colors channel. So I really could not say no. And as I always said, that the 4 seasons in past, we always look up to the characters, look up to their outfits, their, you know, it's larger than life. They look so beautiful. So I thought that it's an opportunity for me to come back to my audiences. And I'll tell you one more thing, because what made me choose Nagin is because for now, considering the pandemic and whatever is happening in these unprecedented times, I know that shootings for digital or for films is not going to start anytime soon. So for me, I thought if I have an opportunity, and this is what Ekta told me too, that this is an opportunity where you are not working because you don't want to do television, and films and digital has not started yet. So why don't you just do the season? And I'm sure that your fans and your audiences are going to love you for coming back. So which is why I chose this. I just grabbed this opportunity.
Well, I think that's an amazing choice. All the best.
Thank you.
Hamara agla sawal hai for Mohit, and the question is from Punjab Kesri by Sahil. How different is it acting in a fantasy fiction show? I mean, anything that you really learned with the visual effects being really heavy in the show? You know, they're very mesmerizing. And so how was your experience?
Experience is fantastic, you know, because एक बहुत ही अलग environment होता है, काफी अलग चीजों से आपको काम करना पड़ता है, काफी, you know, you have to imagine a lot of things because हम काफी सारी चीजें green screen पे shoot करते हैं. So you have to learn little, you know, different skills to be part of a, you know, this cutting edge effects, you know, special effects show. तो मजा भी आता है करने में, क्योंकि आप, you know, all your fantasies that you had as a kid, you know, they get fulfilled while you're shooting as an actor. तो मुझे बड़ा मजा आता है. I've always loved नागिन सीरीज. Like I've said, it's India's favorite show. और नागिन में जब मुझे काम करने का मौका मिला तो I was really excited. Like Dheeraj said, I was also jumping with my chair that finally I got an opportunity to be part of this amazing show. तो बहुत मजा आ रहा है शूट करते हुए. थोड़ी बहुत चीजें अलग होती हैं लेकिन उसका अपने आप में मजा है. And I think I'm fulfilling all my child's fantasy as a child when I was a kid. So I'm really looking forward to shooting more and having a lot of fun now.
I want to
That-
actually here with Mohit actually. As an actor, when you do these kind of shows, technically you become very strong. You have to imagine the things in the air when actually it's not there. So you have to perform accordingly. I have to imagine various things into the air, to perform into a supernatural show. So technically, as an actor, as an artist, you become strong, which is such a good thing.
True.
Thank you so much. और अगला सवाल धीरज के लिए है from Pink Villa. From where did you derive the inspiration of playing the antagonist? How was the feeling, the experience playing
You
that?
were-
Me. I'm so sorry. I'm taking the credit.
No,
Continue.
that's you actually, that's so, but when I heard the character and everything, I watched few movies. I watched Padmavat as well to get few of the things, the nuances of the characteristics and everything. I'm not saying it's the same character all, but the body language, and it's very new for me to perform something like this. And yes, the inspiration comes from the show itself. Nagin is such a big franchise. It's such a big show. It's a fantasy for anyone to play something like this. And I've got this. So I worked hard on this, and I hope the audience will love it.
And let me just add on something to Dheeraj's answer. For an actor, I know any kind of character is an opportunity to play, and especially a franchise like Nagin. But as an actor, अगर मुझसे मेरी personal choice पूछें, तो मैं चील प्ले करना चाहूंगी. No, genuinely, he has so much to play on screen, so many shades. So, मजा आता है एक actor को ऐसे characters करने में, which is why I think I also chose to play an antagonist. And I'm sure धीरज को भी बहुत मजा आया होगा. And वो दिख रहा है, the way he's performed, and you'll see the way he's performed and everything. It's really nice. The get-up, the lighting, everything is so mesmerizing, the way we shoot these supernatural shows. But other than that, आप जब इनकी परफॉर्मेंस देखेंगे तो आपको समझ में आएगा कि कितनी अलग है, कितनी अच्छी और कितनी डिफरेंट है. For that, definitely you'll have to watch the show, guys.
So much. Thank you so much.
Hearing you guys, I think we are super duper eager now to watch the show.
You have to. You don't have a choice.
Yes, we have a choice. Otherwise, Nagin and Chil will come.
Yeah, otherwise Nags and Cheels will come.
Totally. Well, thank you for joining us on screen.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome back once again. वो कहते हैं ना कि हर grand entertainment से पहले थोड़ा सा तूफान तो बनता है. So yes, the moment is finally here that we have been waiting for so long. वक्त है for the official photo op with our beautiful, wonderful cast of Nagin 5. Wow, you guys look absolutely stunning. Can we see the final pose that we've been waiting for? Amazing. Wonderful. This looks
Nagin returns to colors with its grandest magnificent season ever. One of the few Indian television series which has managed to air 5 seasons. Nagin 5 premieres on August 9, 2020 and will air on Saturday and Sunday only on Colors. Thank you all for joining us today. We hope to meet you all soon. उम्मीद करते हैं कि आप सब नागिन 5 को भी उतना ही प्यार देंगे. Well, thank you all. Just a small request. Take care of you and your families. Please don't. Hello and good afternoon to all the lovely people who have joined us today. उम्मीद करते हैं कि आप सब घर पर हैं, सुरक्षित हैं, अपना और अपने परिवार का अच्छे तरीके से ख्याल रख रहे हैं. With absolute honor, I'd like to welcome you all on the virtual press conference of Nagin 5 Back on Colors. 4 successful seasons. I mean, great story, brilliant star cast, absolutely larger than life characters, and of course the visual effects. I think these are just a few highlights, just a few USPs of Nagin. 10,000 वर्षों पहले सतयुग में नागिन नागेश्वरी की कहानी शुरू हुई. स्वयं शिवजी ने सर्वश्रेष्ठ नागिन आदि बनने का वरदान दिया, साथ ही इच्छाधारी बनने का भी. लेकिन नागिन की एक अपनी खुद की इच्छा थी. उसे अपने प्यार हृदय का होना था. कहते हैं अगर प्यार नजर में आने लगे तो प्यार को नजर लग जाती है. चीलों के आका आकेश की नजर जैसे ही नागिन पे पड़ी उसे बेइंतहा प्यार हो गया. वो नागिन के लिए किसी भी हद तक जाने को तैयार था. चील के आका ने उन पर हमला कर दिया. इस हमले में कोई नहीं जीता. जीत किसी की नहीं हुई. नागिन ने एक प्रण लिया, एक प्रतिज्ञा ली कि मैं फिर से कलयुग में वापस आऊंगी और हृदय को फिर से पाऊंगी. साथ ही अपना बदला जरूर लूंगी आकेश से, चील से. जी हाँ, तो बैक अगेन विद अनदर ट्विस्ट लेकर आई है एक नई कहानी कलयुग में नागिन की. लेकर आए हैं नागिन 5. मेरा नाम है श्वेता कपूर और आज मैं काफी एक्साइटेड हूं क्योंकि आज एक ऐतिहासिक दिन है. भविष्य में जब कभी इंडियन टेलीविजन इंडस्ट्री की चर्चा होगी उसमें नागिन का नाम स्वर्ण अक्षरों में लिखा जाएगा. 2015 में डेब्यू करते ही it took the entire industry and the Indian audience by a storm of its magic spell. जी हाँ, right from this spellbinding story, larger than life characters and of course the breathtaking visuals. I think हर एक सीजन के साथ ये मैजिक बढ़ता गया. इस मैजिक के साथ हमारे ऑडियंस का प्यार भी बढ़ता गया. 4 सीजन बीत गए लेकिन ये प्यार कभी कम नहीं हुआ. So here we are back again with some more entertainment and a full power pack season of Nagin 5. To tell us more about the show, वक्त है to welcome head of Hindi Mass Entertainment and Kids TV Network at Viacom 18, Miss Neena Ilavia Jaipuria.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Let me start by making sure all of you are safe and healthy, and wanting to thank each of you for your endless support and patience in these trying times. A very warm welcome to all of you to the launch of our magic fantasy franchise Nagin 5. Ever since shooting resumed, we have tried at Colors to make sure that we leave no stone unturned in entertaining our audiences. And with new properties like Ishq Mein Mar Jawa and Khatron Ke Khiladi made in India, we have truly taken the notch of entertainment up. But we are trying even harder, and we are very happy to announce the launch of Nagin 5. And it's a historic moment for us because it's not only one of the pioneering shows in the genre of magic and fantasy, but very few shows have actually had 5 successive seasons. So we are delighted to bring to you Nagin 5, and we are very happy to work along with and partner with Ekta and Balaji Telefilms over the years, making this extraordinary show. This season seems to be even better and a notch higher because it has an extremely gripping storyline. There's a whole lot of thrill, there's a lot of drama and stunning visual effects.
Thank you, ma'am. The promo of the show looks quite promising. Well, we are sure that the launch of Nagin 5 is going to create an epic moment in the history of Indian television yet again. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to introduce to you a woman who is the ruler of Indian television. A producer who has enchanted and engaged the audience of the Indian television in the absolute apt manner. She is a magician who gives us stars who always create history. It's time to welcome Joint MD Balaji Telefilms, Ekta Kapoor.
5 साल पहले हमने एक कहानी सोची थी, हमारे देश के फोकलोर से जुड़ी, हमारे देश की एक कहानी जो हम अपने ऑडियंसेस को दिखाएं। हम लोगों ने इंटरनेशनल कॉमिक कैरेक्टर्स देखे हैं, इंटरनेशनल साइफाई देखा है, इंटरनेशनल सुपरनेचुरल देखा है, बट हमने अपना फोकलोर बहुत कम देखा था बहुत सालों तक से। सो नागिन को 5 साल पहले हमने बनाया कलर्स के साथ और उसे बहुत ज्यादा प्यार मिला। थैंक यू सो मच। आज 5 साल हो रहे हैं नागिन को और 5वां इंस्टॉलमेंट आ रहा है और इसमें आ रहे हैं नई कहानी, नया रहस्य। ईश्वरी, आप जानना चाहेंगे वो कौन है? अभी मैं आपको इंट्रोड्यूस करूंगी एक नागिन 5 के धमाकेदार बिगनिंग में जो आ रहे हैं, जो आदि सर्वश्रेष्ठ नागिन है, जो फेवरेट एक्टर है हीना खान, और हमारे जो चील बने हुए हैं एज एन धीरज धूपर एंड मोहित मल्होत्रा, हमारे नाग। सो इन सबको मैं वेलकम करती हूँ नागिन 5 के इंस्टॉलमेंट में, इस 5वें साल में। ये 5वां इंस्टॉलमेंट आई होप लोगों को पसंद आए। कलर्स, थैंक यू अगेन फॉर गिविंग मी अ चांस टू डू दिस शो। हम अपने देश की कहानी, अपने देश का फोकलोर बहुत कम सुनते हैं।
Thank you, Ekta ma'am, for those inspiring words. The trailer of Nagin 5 looks absolutely thrilling and exciting. We are sure that this season yet again is going to create history, as it always does. और अब वक्त है to introduce our new Nagin. जी हाँ, अब वो हमसे इंटरैक्ट करेंगी और हमें बताएंगी कि उन्हें कैसा लग रहा है इस इम्पोर्टेंट लेगेसी को आगे बढ़ाते हुए। So yes, here's presenting the very gorgeous, the very, very, very lovely, a beautiful girl inspiring millions of hearts, Hina Khan.